Good day, I'm Omaleje Fijojo, celebrity mathematician. You are welcome to Matex. I've done justice to quadratic equation, but I had 3 requests to do formula method just to prove it. I've done that before, but because I'm posting on my personal profile now, it seems I just started teaching online now. So you can go to my class 2 years ago, you see it there, but I didn't do it directly on its own. Let me do it directly here. So to draw formula method, there's one method we use, we call it completing the square method. And for me to draw formula method, I have to write the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, provided a is not equal to 0. Good. Now, once we put this one, we can say that ax squared plus bx is equal to minus c. In formula method, what we do, if we are deducing it, we have to take the c to the right hand side. That is using the completing the square method. And in completing the square method, if the coefficient of the squared is greater than 1, you must divide through. But in this case, it's a. The constant can be 1, it can be 3, it can be 10, provided it's not equal to 0. It's only 0 that this constant cannot be. So we don't know, we have to divide through. So what we'll do is this: ax squared over a plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. That's what I did, the coefficient of the square. Now what we have is this: s squared plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Now in this case, we need to still use another process here, because in completing the square method, this is number 1, this is number 2 that we're going to use. Take the half of coefficient of x, square it and add to the both sides of the equation. B over a x, that is b over a multiplied by 1 over 2, which is b over 2a. Remember, it can be a2, but in this case, multiplication is commutative, which is 2a, the same thing. But let the number comes before the alphabet. So we have b over 2a. The square of it is this. Add it to the both sides of the equation. That is s squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all squared is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. Now I've added to the both sides of the equation, the left hand side and the right hand side, just as the procedure says. Now what you do here again, you bring it like this: my s squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all squared is the same thing as this, minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now in this case, what we did is to open this: b over 2a multiplied by b over 2a, which is b squared over 4a squared. A times a is a squared, 2 times 2 is 4. So that is what I did there. You get? So again, what am I supposed to do? This side, if you look at it very well, x is carrying squared, b over 2a is carrying squared. I'll collect them. That is x plus b over 2a all squared. Now there's one beauty of this thing here. If I open this, I'll have s squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all squared. So, but the easiest thing for you to do is to check the ones that have the same power, which is 2 and 3 here. Put them together, you get this middle one. Time will not permit me to start opening it for you. So in this case, my LCM here is 4a squared. LCM of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. 4a squared divided by a, I have 4a. 4a multiplied by minus c, I have minus 4ac. Now 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is b squared. I have b squared. Good. Now, look at it here. I can write this thing like this. That my x plus b over 2a all squared is the same thing as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now I did something here. This minus 4ac, I took it to the other side and brought the positive one here. In mathematics, the positive number is always put first. It's not that it's a law. You can do yours, you get the same answer, but it is right for you to put it in this way so that you not be having negative. Just take them. I know that addition is commutative. 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2. So this is 5 and this is 5. So this very one that carry minus is like this. B squared plus minus 4ac is this one that is carrying minus. So I can still bring it like this. Minus 4ac plus b squared is the same thing. So the way you write, since addition is commutative, is okay. Now that is what I have. I just changed their position. Now in this case, I'll take the square root of both sides. Now to take the square root of both sides is like this. When you are having a square and they say take the square root of both sides, say it here. This square, the square root of this left hand side is power 1 over 2. Now the square root of this place too, b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared is the same thing as power 1 over 2. Now that is to take the square root of both sides. The square root, if you are doing if you are doing indices and you have a raised to power of 1 over 2, is the same thing as root a raised to power of 1. I did not write 2 here because this square root is the same thing as root. You can't put the 2 there, except if it's 3. You now say cube root. So that is what happens here. In this case, the 2 power can multiply each other. You know, power law is 2 times 1 over 2. They are both powers, so I'll multiply them. Which is the same thing as 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 1. And then t raised to power of 1 is the same thing. A raised to power of 1 is a. So in this one, I'll be having x plus b over 2a all raised to power of 1. Because 2 times 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Which is the same thing as what? In this case, I can split them. It's the same thing as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Let me put it straight first. This all raised to power of 1, just as I defined down. But anything raised to power of 1 is not the same thing. So I have, that is x plus b over 2a is the same thing as what? The root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now look at this very thing here. In this case, I know the square root of 4. I know the square root of a squared, which is 2a. But I don't know this. And in what? There's what we call SOD. You must have done SOD before. In SOD, if I have a root like this, I can take it for both of them. If I have root a over b, you can see be the same thing as root a over root b. So that's what I'll do here. I'll take this very one and I'll take this very one. X plus b over 2a is equal to root b squared minus 4ac over root 4a squared. It's understood. Now this is the same thing as what? X plus b over 2a is equal to root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Yeah, the square root of 4a squared is 2a. But I don't know this, I left it like that. Because you don't know the one of b squared, you don't know what is b, so you can't find it. Just leave it. I don't know what is minus 4ac. So you can't find this, so you leave it in that way since they are together. Now come to this value. If it's only b squared, I can say it's b. But other ones are added, you leave it. So come to this area, I can say that my x is equal to, this one will cross the sign of equality, minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You know, when we are talking of quadratic equations, you can expect two answers. So plus or minus, I put it here. This one was here before, but it crosses from here to this place and it changes to minus b over 2a. Now, this x is now on its own. What I did is to make x the subject of formula. So this is the same thing as what? I'll take the LCM here. S is equal to minus b plus, I'll take the LCM. Let me not do it straight so that you can know. The LCM of 2a and 2a is 2a. So 2a divided by 2a is 1. 1 times minus b is minus b. Plus or minus 2a divided by 2a is 1. 1 times root b squared minus 4ac is root b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. Now, in this case, what we have here, you can set therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, provided a is not equal to 0. Because if a is equal to 0, this thing would be mass error if you press on your calculator. And in mass error, you cannot divide it. It's not defined. So we call it in mathematics, it is indeterminate. And when we have mass error, just as you are pressing on your calculator, there's a hospital we take them to. We call it L hospitals. So when we treat them, we bring them back. But if you go into mathematics up there, you understand it better. Don't mind me. I don't want to laugh too much today because the wet lips that my wife gave to me is really good, and I don't want to do anything to it. So we'll take it to the hospital, but let us not take it to the hospital here. A should not be equal to 0, so that it should not be indeterminate. Thank you so much.